5 bad habits that destroy a human.
Laziness. Laziness makes a person avoid work and responsibility. Over time, skills become weak and opportunities are lost. A lazy person depends on others and cannot move forward in life. Anger. Uncontrolled anger harms mental health and relationships. It creates stress, hate, and regret. Many good relationships and careers are ruined because of anger. Addiction. Addiction can be to drugs, alcohol, social media, or gambling. It wastes time, money, and health. Addiction pulls a person away from family, goals, and self-respect. Lying. Lying may seem easy at first, but it slowly destroys character. When people discover lies, they stop believing you. Trust, once broken, is very hard to rebuild. Negative thinking. Negative thinking makes a person feel weak and fearful. It stops growth and kills motivation. A negative mind sees problems everywhere and forgets about solutions.
Thank you for watching.